Hello traders, welcome to SMT's channel. Today I'm going to talk about trading, and it's a basic beginner's guide. I had a lot of questions about a beginner guide, so this is the one. This is the first one. I'm going to make a lot of more, but we start with this one. So come on, here we go. The first question is, what is trading? Well, trading is a speculation about an underlying asset market price movement. So it's basically a prediction about how the price is moving up or down. And we have a lot of financial market out there that we use this to maybe do some money. Forex, commodities, index and bonds, and so on. This is a big market, and it's very difficult to get to know this and learn what is best for you. Some like Forex, and some like to do in shares. Some do index, and some other people use both or everything. But it's up to you to make up what's best for you. So what is share trading? Well, basically it's a stock market, and stock market is buy or sell. If you're bullish, you're going long. If it's bearish, you're getting short. Forex trading is the most popular marketplace. It's the biggest exchange of money and currency on the planet. And it uses currency to exchange money. And it trades in pairs. Two currency that trade against each other. There's a lot of different combination, but the most popular is euro against US dollar, and US against British pound. The same as stocks, you either buy or sell, bullish or bearish. Well, then we have index trading. Index trading is a speculation about price movement, and that's a collection about underlying asset that's grouped together to one entity, like sector indicators, bond indicators, or community indicators. And as an example, we have 500, US 500, and that's the 500 biggest US listed company on the market cap. That group it in one index. And there you can do your trades and speculate up and down. It's very popular. Commodities trading. Well, what is this? It's a trading where you speculate about the market price in natural resources like gold, sugar cane and oil. And this is very important because this trading is often used when there's crisis in the world. You know, if we have war like Ukraine war, there's a lot of people that place their money in gold, as an example, instead for stocks or index. So this is very important.